God. Look at that. Woo! Buried in snow. It's a good thing the kids came and dig it out, some of it yesterday. Woo! Buried in snow. The kids came and Sarah and Shantae did this for me. Look, so I have a little part here to reverse and they leave a little space here at the front. Oh my God. Thank you, girls. Winter Wonderland snowstorm in Toronto. Yeah.
This is what Tana should have been here for.
Yeah.
The snowstorm as soon as she left.
Yeah. Winter. We need to get some fresh air. Can't stay inside. We have been inside all day. So we need to be out and about and get some fresh air. It's bad. Look. This 3 days of snow. I don't even want to see what my car looks like. I don't even want to see what my car looks like. This is Sarah.
Yeah. Why is it blue?
Oh, that's the salt.
You know they're still big.
Yeah.
Mm.
I bought these shoes for Sarah from she was in grade, what, Sarah, 2? And they're still fitting her at 60. They were so big. Princess and I are going for a stroll. You look beautiful. Hold up your feet. I haven't pulled out these boots in a while.
Huh?
I haven't worn these in a few years.
What are you gonna do?
Because it's a snowstorm. I'm under the bridge where the freight train runs.
I won't lie, when the train is like going, it feels shaky underneath, so I walk in.
Yeah, I don't like to be underneath when the train is going. These are all man-made things.